Hi friends, myself Manoj Kumar. Today I would like to talk about network topology in computer networks. The first topic is network topology. At first, we need to know what is network topology. Network topology is nothing but it is a structure which defines how devices such as the hub, switch, PC and nodes are connected to the network. This can be of two types. One is physical topology and other is logical topology. Physical topology is the actual structure of network topology, whereas logical topology is referred to how we transmit the data from one device to another device. Basically, we have six types of network topology. They are bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology, and tree topology. At first, we will discuss about bus topology. In this topology, all the nodes or computers are connected to a cable called as backbone cable, which can be seen in the picture. Since it is called as a backbone cable, this is a main source to transfer data or receive data. This bus topology is mainly used in local area networks. The advantage of bus topology are it can be easily installed since it is connected to a linear cable, and also it requires less cable. Disadvantages of bus topology are if the backbone cable fails, then the entire network fails since it is a main cable. And also, as more nodes are connected to the network performance will become slower. It is not useful for large networks since it uses less cable. The next one is ring topology. In ring topology, each device or node is connected in a way that it forms a circle. We can see in the picture. In this topology, data flows in one direction, either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise. In this, each device or node have two adjacent nodes. Each device in the ring acts as a repeater since it transmits signal to the next device. The ring topology is mainly used in either local area network or wide area network as per the requirements. The advantage of ring topology is all data flows in one direction, so there is no collision of data. There is no chance of data collision. The major drawback of ring topology is the data being transferred over network must pass through each node on the network, which make it slower than star topology, and it cannot use it for large networks. The next one is a star topology. In star topology, all the computers are nodes connected to a central point called hub, as you can see in the picture. It is the most popular topology used in computer networks. The structure is very simple and the fault removal is done very easily. This topology is mainly used in offices, workstation, etc. The major drawbacks are it is more expensive, and if the hub breaks down, the whole network will be collapsed. The next one is a mesh topology. In this topology, all the devices are connected to each other since it doesn't have any central connection point. This can be seen in the picture. We have two types of mesh topology. One is full mesh and other is partial mesh. In full mesh topology, each device is connected to all the devices, whereas in partial mesh topology, each device is connected to multiple devices in a network, but not all the devices. The advantage of this topology is that it has multiple paths to send or receive data. If a single path fails, we can send in an alternative path. In this, if any node fails, the whole network will not be collapsed since it has multiple paths. The disadvantage of this topology is it is very expensive when compared to ring topology, bus topology, and star topology. The next one is hybrid topology. It is a combination of multiple computer networks topology like bus, star, ring, mesh, and a tree. As you can see in the picture, the advantages of this topology is has it a combination of multiple network topology. It can handle the large network. The disadvantage of this topology is it is a complex structure because it has multiple topologies in a single network, and also it is more expensive when compared to other topologies. The next one is tree topology. It is a combination of a star and a bus topology, which can be seen in the picture that it is in the hierarchical form. It connects multiple star topologies with the help of a linear bus backbone cable, which can be seen in the above picture. The three star topologies and one bus is connected in the form of a tree. The advantage of this topology is it can be easily expanded, and also it is easy to find the faulty device. Since it is connected in point-to-point wiring for each device, we can find the faulty device easily. The disadvantage of this topology is if the bus backbone fails, entire network fails because backbone cable is the only medium to communicate between the different star topology. I hope you all like this video. Thank you all.